Welcome to the Wealth Investment Group Academy educational channel. In today's video, we will select and discuss a new potential cash-secured put option trade. You will also learn how you can use this safe option strategy to make money most of the time if you use it only on great companies when they are undervalued. Please note that this is only for general educational purposes and is not a buy or sell recommendation. It is as easy as this. We will go over all the trade details and tell you why we think this trade is worth taking. You will also know which stock to buy and how much money you can expect to gain. Now, let us dive into the trade details. Our trade today will be about Meta Platforms, stock ticker Meta. Let us discuss the trade details to understand why we think this trade is worth taking. Before we do, let's go over our checkpoints. First, we need to make sure that our company is undervalued. For any company to be undervalued, the market stock price should be less than the intrinsic value, or what is sometimes called the fair value of the company. The intrinsic value for Meta is $345, and the market price is $155. Then Meta is undervalued. Our second checkpoint is to find our support level and decide our strike price. To do that, we need to check if the price has retracted to a good support level. Looking at the chart on weekly candles, we can see that Meta is back to this support line, as you can see there and there. And now Meta is back to the same support line where the price today is $155. So we think that a strike of around $135 would be a very good strike for our trade today, which is around this low, as you can see right there. And by the way, this is the low of March 2020, which is the lowest point Meta has reached at the COVID pandemic bear market back in 2020. So we decided our strike for our trade today to be around $135. Now that we know our support area and we know our strike, the next step is to check the next earning date. Looking at the earning date calendar, we can see that the next earning date for Meta is on the 24th of October, 2022. Once we know the company's next earnings date, we need to select a contract with an expiration date earlier than that date to make sure that we minimize the risk of unexpected price changes that usually happen right after earning dates. Now that we know our strike and when is the next earning date, let's move to IBKR Interactive Brokers option page and look at our cash secured put contract details, check our strike, contract date, and what is the premium that we can expect to collect out of this trade. Now that we are looking at the IBKR option chain, we can see that we are looking at Meta and the market price is $155. Then if we move to the option chain side and select a contract that will end on the 30th of September 2022 at our selected strike of $135, we can expect to collect a premium of around 96 cents. Then we click on Sell Leg. All the information will go down there. We make sure that we are selling a contract until the 30th of September of 2022. Strike is 135. It is a put. Delta is less than 0.25. Then we make sure that we are selecting the right number of contracts and the right premium. If you like everything, just go ahead and submit your order. Before you enter the trade, kindly take your time and check all the trade details and make sure if it is worth taking compared to your capital invested. Thank you for watching Wealth Investment Group educational videos.